Welcome to Wisconsin Metal Parts Assembly, where we do mechanical and electrical assembly. Our CNC fabrication stamping departments feed this area where we can make all the components and then put them together, or we can simply put your components together for assembly. We're very good at putting production cells together for efficiency and also quality control. Let's take a look at a couple projects we've got going right now. This assembly is a bag sealer that's used in the food service and the pharmaceutical industries. We make 20 different models, averaging 60 to 80 units a year. We do all the mechanical and electrical assembly on these units. Our fabrication CNC department manufactures all the machine components, and we also purchase commercial components for the assembly. We are UL 508A panel certified for the enclosure wiring, and we do the wire kit prep here, including the cutting and the labeling. This unit then requires an 8-hour heat run for testing, and the unit is about 5 feet long, 3 feet wide, and 4 feet tall. After it's built, it gets mounted to a skid and shipped to our customer. These cafeteria style warmers and proofers are built complete at Wisconsin Metal Parts. We produce all of the sheet metal and machine parts in-house and procure all the purchased items using our customers' contract pricing. We utilize their laser, CNC punching, brake press, welding, and finally mechanical and electrical assembly. These units are then high-pot tested, cycle tested, and calibrated for temperature. Units are then packaged for retail and shipped directly to our customer's warehouse for inventory. This helps our customers greatly reduce the amount of time it takes to get their products into their customers' hands. We typically ship a combination of 3 different models and average around 100 to 150 units per month. We are also UL listed as a satellite manufacturing site for this product. These stainless steel insulated ovens are built here with us utilizing laser, CNC punch, forming, machining components, welding, grinding, and polishing, and finally our mechanical and electrical assembly. These units are built to our customer's design, and we act as an overflow job shop to fill in when they have labor or delivery challenges internally. We typically build and ship somewhere around 40 to 50 of these units annually. We stamp and assemble over 1 million of these galvanized steel assemblies per year. We begin in a progressive stamping die and then move on to our assembly area to have hardware inserted using our hydraulic presses or manual assembly. All of the tooling and fixturing was designed and built right here at Wisconsin Metal Parts. These units are push tested and then packaged in returnable boxes to be shipped to our customer for final assembly. These stainless steel biodigesters are for the food service industry and require us to fabricate all the manufactured components in-house. We utilize our fiber lasers, our CNC mills and lathes, our brake presses, we weld, polish, and do final assembly on these. These units stand about 3 feet tall and have a 3 foot by 6 foot footprint. After assembly, they're bolted to skids and they're shipped off to our customer, where they do all their extra value add software installs. We typically build somewhere between 50 and 200 of these and similar type units over the course of a year for this particular customer. So these are just a few examples of projects we're working on right now. If you'd like more information, or if you have a specific project you'd like to take a look at, please contact us through wisconsinmetalparts.com, and we'd be happy to take a look at your next project. We've been welcoming challenges since 1988.